Hey guys, welcome back to Humble Fit, where being fit is a lifestyle and not just a New Year's resolution. You keep it simple, don't complicate it, or else you hate it. And it doesn't have to be perfect yet, but it does need to be done to get to where you need to be, or else you just be a wannabe. Yeah, today we're gonna talk about motivation. Yeah, how to stay motivated. Okay, and then I got some questions for these people, and yeah, check it out. And here we go, you guys. Boop. Okay, so if you was to eat pizza for the next 21 days, how would you keep your pizza interesting so that you don't get tired of it?
I'd probably put my favorite foods on the pizza, my favorite toppings. Like I love crab, so I'd probably make a crab pizza. You can put salad on it, make a more healthier pizza if I was sick of pizza. Just different toppings, I guess, and then you can even do kind of like dessert pizzas with like cinnamon and sugar. Yeah, good.
Awesome. It's really fun. Hey Malia, if you was to eat pizza for 21 days, how would you keep the pizza interesting?
You can put different things on it, like pizza with a salad on top, or you can change it into like a dessert, put sweet stuff, or cut it up and make it into something else, like flatbread along with something else. And it wouldn't happen because I love pizza, so no problem.
Awesome. Hey Love Song, if you was to eat pizza for the next 21 days, how would you keep it interesting so that you don't get tired of it?
So I will eat pizza once a day and then exercise. So I'm gonna be hungry and I will eat again. So that makes me more exciting and interesting.
Good job, man. That's a good one. Thank you.
Okay. So pizza, and how do I keep it interesting to go back to it and want to keep eating pizza? So for me, it would be just like with different toppings. I would use different toppings, different crusts, different sauces, tomato sauce, Alfredo sauce, and that's how I would keep it interesting. So I ate pizza every day. I would put different ingredients on it, different stuff.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Good job. Okay, what I got out of those answers was most of them said, I guess, change the toppings, change it up, change the toppings, and maybe change the sauce, even the crust. So yeah, good ideas. And one of them said that, you know, maybe he'll just not eat, I guess, kind of starve himself. Maybe even eat one, wait till he gets hungry and then eat the pizza. So that he'll always be hungry for the pizza. And yeah, like for me too, I'll definitely change it up, you know, like changing the toppings. And when that's done, then change the crust, the sauce, and when that's done, I can actually go to Pizza Hut and then, you know, start off with the personal pan, and the next day I can do like a supreme pizza. Yeah, change it up too. Yeah, so, and then the other question I asked was how do you stay motivated in your workouts? And so here's the question and the answers. Okay guys, check it out. And what about exercising? How do you keep yourself motivated in exercising, or, you know, health wise, even eating whatever?
Because health is most important in our life. So that is the one thing that makes me motivated. And you know, because of the unhealthy life, unhealthy habit of eating, that, you know, you get sick. So, you know, you don't want to get sick, right? So you want to, you know, be healthy. You want to help a lot of people. You want to help your friends. That is the thing that motivates me. You know, I want to stay healthy, and especially as a nurse, it's very important to stay healthy so I can take care of the residents and your family members, your friends. That's the things that motivates me most.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how I stay motivated to exercise? How I motivate myself? Well, for a while there, when I was running, I would keep myself motivated by watching YouTube videos. That motivates me to see other people doing it. And also like on Pinterest, they have all these different articles about running and jogging, and I would just like look at stuff like that. That would keep me motivated to want to go out and keep jogging, running, and whatnot. So yeah, just that. And another thing I guess would be that I like to shop. I like to go shopping. I like to buy clothes. So yeah, that's another thing.
Yay. Okay, and then what about staying motivated to stay fit or exercise? What do you do? I mean, what do you do?
I try to do things outdoors, and I just found myself fishing, canoeing, water sports, and just using all the resources around us with like lots of open air and where I can social distance. And then I like to buy exercise clothes.
Awesome. You gotta teach me your fishing secrets. Yeah.
I'm still learning them.
Thank you so much. And what about how do you motivate yourself to get yourself moving?
I don't. So if you have any tips for me, let me know.
Okay, good way, like they said, to go outdoors, exercise, canoe fishing, water sports, and also watching YouTube videos, going on Pinterest, seeing other people doing it. And like Labsan said, he said that it's crucial to be healthy, especially if you're a nurse, to help the patients, even your family, friends. How can you help someone if you're not healthy? But yeah, so good way to stay motivated. Yeah, same here. I like to go out, like to change it up. Yeah, I used to go to the gym a lot, but now when the parks open up again, I love going to the jungle gyms. Yeah, even dancing too. Dancing is a good way. It's all about movement. Getting your blood flow. Sometimes you think that I have to work out an hour. If I exercise a lot, I'll burn a lot of calories. But yeah, it's just movement. Mobility. Keep yourself going. Keep the blood flowing. Yeah. So every little bit that you do counts, but you don't have to overdo it. Yeah. Just make it fun. Keep it simple. Don't complicate it, or else you hate it. But yeah, change it up. Yeah. So yeah, the reason why I ask these questions is because it's like, if you was to eat pizza every day, the same pizza, pepperoni pizza, all day, for the next 20 days or whatever. Yeah, or say for instance, working out, doing the same workouts over and over and over. Yeah, that saying, doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different results. Yeah. Can drive you crazy, insanity, But then but what if you change it up? Same thing with your exercises, you change it up, your diet, change it up. And then also, like, some people get tired of working out because they're expecting to have a nice body the next day or the next month. It takes time. Like that saying, a journey of 1,000 miles starts off at your first step. But every step that you take, it'll get you closer and closer and closer. But 1,000 miles, you can't just take one step and then you're at the end of 1,000 miles. Yeah. But persistency and consistency will surely get you there. Yeah. Like eating an elephant. You still eat an elephant. You can't just eat the whole elephant at once. Yeah, bite at a time, and eventually you're gonna be done eating the elephant. You're chopping down a tree, one chop at a time. Keep chopping, the tree's gonna go down. So same thing with our goals, Have small goals. Yeah, have small goals. Practice that every day, small goals. Every morning you wake up, do something a little bit. Do a little bit of something. What I learned from my wife, because I'm a messy person. I used to be a messy person. I still am. But not as bad though, not as bad. I used to be very messy, and she taught me that you know, just 20 seconds, 20 minutes, just a little bit cleaning up here and there. You know, if you keep doing it every day, just a little bit, then you watch. You know, maybe a month down the road, you're gonna be like, wow, look at that, I'm much neater now. Yeah. So, but yeah, so just a little bit every day, you guys, just chop away. I mean, journey of 1,000 miles starts off with your first step. So small goals will get you there. Okay, so hey, okay, and then like our eating habits, we eat every day. Yeah, what if we change that up? You know, like some people, they don't want to diet because they're thinking, oh, I'm not going to be able to eat whatever I want. You know, I can't eat this, I can't eat that. But you know, to slowly change it up, you can do it this way. You know, why not eat less hours? So let's say at 7 o'clock at night, you cut it. After that, no eating, but you're still eating whatever you're eating. But yeah, so 7 o'clock at night, you cut it. Next morning, you eat your breakfast, and then the following day you can cut it at 7 o'clock at night, and then in the morning eat a later breakfast. Yeah, instead of eating breakfast at 8, eat breakfast at 10. Then when you get better, instead of eating at 10 in the morning, eat at 11. And then if you get good, then eat at 12. You know, but up to you how much intake of calories you want to lessen. So yeah, so the more hours you have of eating, the more calorie intake you're gonna have. The less hours of eating, the less calories you're gonna intake. Okay, calorie deficit, and then that's how we lose it, right? Yeah, but then it takes time. But like I said, small goals will get you there. Okay. Hey, if you guys like what you saw, yeah, click the like button. And also comment on how would your pizza look like, and yeah, how would you motivate yourself in staying fit. Yeah, and also share. Okay, and then yeah, and then maybe we'll share your comments on the next video. Thank you guys for visiting. Aloha, you guys. Okay, see you on the next video.